This is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2014 Toyota Camry 50 Series sedan. Stock reference number 3808. This shape runs from the 12th month 2011 through to the 5th month 2015. It has a 2AR 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AR 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage to the front end. Left-hand guard has a very light fold on the front edge, still may be repairable. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left-hand sill skirt. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light's in good condition. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Left tail boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. It has an aftermarket Baronia Towbars tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right rear factory alloy mag 17-inch. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right hand sill skirt, tidy condition. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Dual zone heater controls. Factory 6-inch touchscreen CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 71,000 kilometers and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.